Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a side entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. As you got this manual pull out ramp here I can do. Just grab it here, pull it straight out, and look here, I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. Tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. The ramp itself has 30 and a half inches of space, usable space. Entry has 56 inches. Inside the van has 60 inches. So you can get up to 5 feet in there. Plenty of room. Got your carbon fiber floors. Very easy to keep clean. If you do spill on them, get any mud, dirt, anything like that, you can just sweep them out. It's got this foldable third row seat here. This is great. You can always remove this front passenger seat, put a wheelchair up there. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus a wheelchair in here. So this van offers that option. It's a great option to have. The seat will also collapse. You got to push down here and fold it forward. I need 2 hands to do it. And then once it's folded down, there's another lever right here. You got to push the seat slightly down a little bit. And you see how easy that seat folds up? So you got room for a wheelchair back here in the traditional way to transport one as well, if you like. Like I mentioned, removable front passenger seat. It's got your rear air controls. Headliner looks nice and clean. The dash looks good. I don't see any holes or cracks in the dash. Got your steering wheel controls there so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your auxiliary port there. Dual climate control, rear air controls. Plenty of cup holders, plenty of plugs for all your electronics. Got cup holders in the door too. We do give a free set of pull-tight Q-strength tie-downs away with each van. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Real easy to do here, folds right up. And I tell you what, these are a great option versus the electric ramps and doors. Electric ramps and doors are nice, but if you've never done this, you've never been in this business, I'm telling you right now, the electric ramps and doors are super expensive to work on when they go bad, and they go bad quite a bit. You can get $2,000 to $3,000 real quick. So if you can get by with a manual, even if you don't buy from me, if you can get by with that manual ramp and door, I promise you, you're gonna thank me for it down the road. The exterior of the van, got Goodyear tires on it. These things are darn near like new. Front are 8 30-seconds. The front are 9 30-seconds. The rear are 8 30-seconds. So like new Goodyear tires, nice name brand. Very clean van. Got the rear tinted windows. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying I've walked around this van a few times and I can hardly find a blemish in it. Very clean. It's been very well taken care of. See a little bruise right there. This was a government-owned vehicle, so it's been fleet maintained, adult-driven, never been smoked in. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam. And speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. You can see this vehicle is a one-owner, 47 service history records. I don't think I've ever seen a vehicle with that many service history. Vehicle government, last owned in Georgia, so there's no ice and snow down there. Carfax guarantees no total loss. Oh, they guarantee no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Guarantee no total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. Shows an accident of August of 2021, a month ago. I'll show that to you. Not an accident, a damage. No open recalls. As we scroll down, look at all the oil changes, how often this van's been serviced. I've never seen a vehicle that's been serviced this much. It's pretty impressive. Regular oil changes. Shows last August of 21. Damage to the front. Not all damage is caused by an accident. Just basically shows someone probably bumped it in a parking lot or something like that. Nothing major. Might have had the front bumper painted, but no frame damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Very minor, especially for a 10-year-old vehicle. But boy, that's impressive how well this has been taken care of, one owner. As far as the rest of the interior of the vehicle, very clean. Like I said, there's never been any smoking in this vehicle, but I am a non-smoker. I don't smell any unusual odors. Got the one key if you wanted us to make a second one on your dime. Those are generally $199. Talk to me about those. I did notice a little film here. We tried to rub that off, scrape it off. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's on the interior. That piece scraped off there a little bit. I'm gonna try to clean that a little bit more, but Being honest as I can about this van. When I go to turn it on, fires right up. There's no check engine lights on, no airbags, no ABS. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Current miles, 69,086 miles. 69,086 miles. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors. That power mirror there, passenger power mirror, power window. We've all tested all the power locks, heat, air, cruise. This is not some van that you come look at or I send out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. You're going to notice most dealers or people on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, wherever you're looking, they don't give you the whole story. You show up and it's got a bunch of dents in it they didn't tell you about, or the transmission is slipping, or it's got a bunch of issues, you know, they don't tell you about. I don't do business like that. That's why I'm making this video, so you can see exactly what you're getting. Got the 3.6 V6 idles smoothly. Underneath the van, much of the same. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of any bent metal from an accident. I don't see any signs of abnormal rust from like a flood or anything like that. And you know, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's low miles. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. You know, they assume because their salesman was nice to them, they automatically assume it runs and drives good. They assume that you know, it's not all rusted out underneath. Little chip right there in the paint. I want you to go look at my competition's website. That's right, I am sending you to the competition. How many pictures of the undercarriage do they have, much less a video? Do they have a Carfax report? Have they talked to you about their reputation? You can look us up on Google. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. We've got great reviews. And my point is, if you just go assuming things, you're gonna get burned. People get burned on the internet every single day. I've been doing this for over a decade. Take my advice, demand a detailed video. And if someone's gonna tell you, oh, you know, it's a nice van, blah, 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 and you just wanna trust a stranger on the internet, be my guest. And I wish you the best of luck because you're gonna need it. So let me get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. Always like to get the vans out on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Everything on this van is exactly the way we want it to be. I've got the cruise control set. With all that being said, please realize this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Talk to us about that. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 4 years on this particular model. So let us know how we can help and, you know, protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind there's a lot of dealers out there with a real nice price online or on their lot. What they don't tell you about it is all their hidden fees. They've got $500 document fees, then they got a tag fee, then they got freight and all these. The next thing you know, you got to factor in shipping. They're making money on the shipping on you. Next thing you know, that real nice price is about $3,000 more than you expected. I don't do business like that. I don't hide things from you. I'm letting you know everything I know about the van, and I definitely don't hide money from you. If someone's telling you the vehicle is $30,000, shouldn't it be $30,000? Not after all these fees. Next thing you know, it's $31,000 or $30,500. You know, if someone's hiding the price of a vehicle, the actual price, what else are they hiding from you? Is it an accident? Is it flood damage? Is it a salvage title? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know if people aren't being honest and upfront from the beginning, I don't trust them, and I definitely don't trust them with my money. If you want to take that gamble, if you want to take that risk, again, go ahead. Good luck. You're going to need it. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. Back to what I was talking about, that number I just gave you, that's my cell phone number. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call one of those big companies like Mobility Works or Freedom Motors or United Access or one of the big VMI or Braun companies. I want you to ask them, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Ask them, see what they say, because you've got my cell phone number and I'm committed to customer service. And hey, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email address. And if you're old school, computers aren't your thing, that's okay. Give me a call. We'll take an application over the phone, not a problem. And we do have financing available, like I mentioned. Sorry, got sidetracked there. Check us out to see our entire inventory with Carfax reports, detailed videos, and dozens of pictures. www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And we do take trade-ins. Talk to me about those. Let us know how we can help. We've taken trade-ins across the country. It can be done, folks. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.